Yo, what up, what up? It's your dog, Good Boy Yeti here, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is talking about how to execute a call option. A lot of y'all who've been following me lately have asked me about, what other things have I been invested in besides the crypto that I've been talking about. So I am actually invested in stocks and also call options. That's pretty much how I've been making money in the stock market. So today's video we're gonna talk about break down how to execute a call option and what a call option is. So I'm just gonna break down what a call option is, and then I'm gonna show you guys on the screen exactly how you execute a call option. So for starters, a call option is pretty much where you buy a contract. You could buy one contract or multiple contracts of 100 shares at a premium price, and it's pretty much stating that you believe that when you place a call, it's stating that you believe that that the stock price will hit your strike price, and usually the strike price is something that's above the current price that it is. So for example, let's say X stock is currently at $13 per share. You would then, if you were placing a call option, what you would do is you would say that, okay, you could place a call option at $14. The strike price would be $14. So the minute that stock starts to move in the direction of your strike price of $14, you start to make money. Once it hits your strike price, you're in the money, and that's what we call ITM. That's in the money. The thing about options can be very lucrative, and options can be and you can lose a lot of money as well at the same time. So you have to be careful with how you invest and stuff like that. Make sure that you're not using capital that you're not willing to lose. You're risking capital that you're willing to lose if it goes south. But stocks and options have been very lucrative for me in the past, and I love it. So pretty much I'm going to show you guys pretty much how you would execute a option, and I'm going to give y'all some real games today too as well. I'm actually going what I'm going to show you guys is actually a option that I've been actually in for the last maybe month or two. It's a company that I've been invested in for like the last month or two, and made a lot of money with executing my call options. Okay, so here we have. So you're gonna go to search, and you're gonna go to you're gonna type in ticker symbol BNGO. That's Binanogenomics. Okay, so you're gonna go to Binanogenomics, and right now we can see that Binanogenomics is currently at $13.95. At the stock price at $13.95. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to trade. You're gonna click trade. Once you click trade, you're gonna go in, and then you're gonna click trade options. So when you go to click trade options, it's gonna come up. So right here we have February 19th. That's like that's the closest expiration date that we have right now. You see there's a whole bunch of other ones that you can click, but just for the sake of the video, we're gonna go with February 19th. So February 19th, you're gonna go in, and then you're gonna and we're just gonna go with $14. Let's just go with $14 because it's at $13.95. You see it's done well after hours, so we think that it's gonna go up. So since we think that it's gonna go up, we're gonna go with a strike price of $14. So the premium price for this right now is at 15 cents. So what you have to do is you have to buy 100 shares. So 100 shares at 15 cents, that's going to be $115. So what you do is you're going to pay $115 and you're going to get 100 shares at that premium price. Now, like I said, once you purchase this and once your call option is executed, the minute that Binance Genomics starts to move in a positive direction towards the $14, you're gonna start to make money. And if it goes over that, you're gonna make a whole lot of money. So these are very strategic plays that I've been going to, and I'm actually giving y'all some real game on this because this is something that I'm personally actually invested in and gonna be invested in this upcoming week as well. So I'm actually giving y'all a play on this one right now too. So definitely I want y'all to get some money, man. Definitely, and make money through the stock market. So once you execute your call option, you can now, so pretty much what happens is you have until February 19th, which is next Friday. That's when your call option expires. So pretty much whatever happens next week from today to next week, like you can pretty much, you can sell your contract at any moment. So you can sell your contract if you feel as though, if you're, let's say, your strike price is $14, and let's say that Monday morning, well, Tuesday morning, because we have the holiday, but Tuesday morning when the market opens up, let's say that Binance Genomics is at $16. You can sell right there, you know what I'm saying? Or you have the option to stay until Friday and see how far it can go. But at the same time, you're taking a risk because it can rise way further than your strike price of $14, or it can fall before Friday, before your expiration date of your contract. So that's just a quick just an introduction to a call option for people. I just wanted to give that information out to you guys. I'm going to continue doing these videos breaking down call options, my actual plays, and what I'm going to be doing in the upcoming weeks and stuff like that. I'm going to keep y'all updated on the cryptocurrency. So just make sure y'all tapping with me, man. Make sure that you let your people know, man, to subscribe, like, share it. This is some real good game that I'm giving y'all. And just, yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I appreciate the people who have reached out, and been reaching out. It's been real love. I really do appreciate that. You know what I mean? I'm glad that I can be of assistance to some of y'all, and help y'all get money, you know what I'm saying? Because that's what it's all about. So, yeah, man. So, like I said, just tap in with me. I'm going to be doing videos probably like, once or twice a week, you know what I'm saying? Showing call options, showing just what I'm invested in. So I appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, if y'all found it helpful, man, make sure you click the like button, make sure you click the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell, make sure that you get this out to your people, man, and just, and just let's get to the money. That's what it's all about, man. It's your dog, Good Boy Yeti, here with another video of Shmoney Talks. We appreciate you being here with us, man. Be safe. All love. Get to the money, man. One.
We going up. They always trying to tear us down cause we going up. My euro 2